Hi, my beautiful Aries, and welcome to Floral Tarot Reader. How you guys are doing, Aries? Thank you so much, whoever subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot. I offer personal readings as well. You can check my description box and comment section. My WhatsApp link and number is mentioned. You can click on the WhatsApp link, send me a hi, and you can get a personal reading done at very minimum fees. And by the way, I have a Hindi tarot card reading channel as well, and that has around 35,000 subscribers. You can click on this link and you can check out my Hindi tarot reading channel. This is the English one. So Aries, let's just get started with your reading. Let's check how your love life is looking. What are the energies of your person, or how's your love life will be. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you will watch this video, it will surely resonate with you. So let's just get started. Keep your person's energies in your mind and heart, and you can continue watching this video. Okay, let's check. Angels, higher beings, ancestors, love life for Aries, and let's see how are the energies coming. Okay, let's cut the deck. Okay, current energies of your person is 7 of coins in reverse. Okay, intention of your person is the Hermit. They overthink a lot. Future action of your person is the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, your energy is the 10 of Cups, 10 energy, and future of this overall connection, very important, is Knight of Coins in reverse. Okay, bottom of the deck is 4 of coins. They are holding back their true feelings for you, Aries. Interesting. Let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune. Like they don't want to take any action, plus they're dependent on their destiny. Okay, whatever the destiny will unfold will dictate what will happen between me and my partner, Aries. Not good, no? See, Daughter of Swords in reverse. Okay, I think you guys are in a connection. This does not look like a one-sided connection or FWB, etc. This looks like a relationship connection, etc., etc. And a lot of things are going on with you and your persons. And let's just get started with your reading. The zodiac sign. Your person's zodiac sign is Sagittarius, Virgo. I'm getting Cancer, Taurus, and Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sagittarius, and Cancer. And whatever your person's zodiac sign is, whichever, you can still watch this video. Zodiac sign are just an additional information. Just to guys let you know, English is not my first language. It's my second language. So if I'm making any kind of grammatical error, please excuse me, please. I'm apologizing it right away. Anyway, let's just get started. See, what I'm seeing overall in the energy is that you want commitment. You want a happily ever after. For many of you, Aries, you even want to start a family with this person. Like, you want a proper relationship with full of love, comfort, happiness. There can be a high chance that you might have your own kids, not with this person, but like you can have your own kids. You might be a single mom or dad, or you can be a divorcee. That can be one case. But in your person's energy, they're a big time introvert. Problem with your person is that overall, I'm just giving an overall gist of this reading, that whatever they feel, whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's beautiful, whether it's ugly, they do not like to communicate. They like to keep their feelings to themselves. Why? Is because they don't like confrontation. This person is kind of a person who likes just living in the moment and not confront what is crucial. So in their energies towards you, current energies towards you, they definitely respect you a lot, Aries. They think that you are someone who is very intelligent, very kind, very down to earth person. And sometimes they feel that yes, with Aries I can build a future, but what I'm seeing is that they want, okay, the problem with your person is that they want a stable relationship. They want a happily ever after with you, Aries. But to build a stable relationship, you need to put in that valuable action. For example, if you want to build a relationship with a person, you really need to call them, you really need to take care of them, you really need to help that person, or you really need to be there with that person. For building a serious relationship, for a serious relationship, you need to have a strong foundation. So what they're exactly doing to become your dream husband or a dream wife or a dream part is nothing. I think this person has not even given you the bare minimum in this connection. I think what they do is just they talk to you, they speak to you, maybe they go out on dates, maybe you guys get physical. There's nothing stable, there's nothing what you call it, a heart to heart connection, a depth, a soulful connection. You definitely want to create that soulful connection, no doubt in that, Aries. Aries, your energies are absolutely wonderful, but what this person is doing to build this connection, you are putting 100% effort, but this person is not putting 100%, is because they want a stable relationship, they want a committed relationship, but they are not putting an action to it. It's just the case that I discussed in my other channel, that a student wants to score 100 on 100 in a maths test, but what you are doing to score 100 on 100 in a maths test, you have to study hard, you have to put in a lot of efforts, then only you can score 100 on 100. Sitting idle and not working hard and not studying will not make you score 100 on 100 on a maths examination. You should put in efforts. So the efforts are lacking. There is no third party situation, there is no other people involvement in there's no romantic third party situation, or they are not dating another person. It's just that they don't want to put in effort, they don't feel like putting in efforts, they don't feel like need of putting in efforts. You know what is happening, you are a better person, like as comparison to this person, you are a gem of a person, and this person does not deserve you. You deserve a lot better, Aries, what I'm seeing over here. Their intentions towards you is the Hermit. They feel they really respect you a lot, Aries, and in their intention with the Hermit, they think, Aries, that yes, you are a kind of a person who has a lot of depth, who has a lot of emotional depth, who can have a great who is someone who is not what you call it, empty, who is someone who has intelligence, who has wit, who has innocence, who knows what is right, who knows what is wrong. But in their intention, they, like, I'm getting an energy of laziness, Aries. To be very frank, this person has become quite lazy. I think this person has been single for a very long period of time, and you have entered their life, and maybe because of that, this person is like, oh god, now I have to speak to this person. Oh god, I have to go on a date with this person. Oh god, I have to put in efforts. So what is it, not when you are in a comfort zone, when you like staying alone, just watching movies and just going out to the gym and just reading books, you don't feel like putting in effort because you like staying in that comfort zone. And this is the problem of your person. See, this is not a bad human being, or this is not a person who has ill intentions towards you, but this person is in this energy of comfort. They want a relationship, they want a commitment, they want a happily ever after, but they don't want to put in efforts. It's because of laziness. That's it. They are in this energy, whatever will happen for the good. If I am meant to be in a relationship, god or destiny will put me in a relationship. Oh stupid person, whoever this person is, you have to put in efforts, you have to do the karma. For example, you want to date, but if you're not going out, if you're not joining dating apps or etc., you're not meeting new people, God will not send you a person directly into your room. And exactly what their future action is. If you're thinking, oh, this person will put in efforts, oh, this person will bring me flowers, or this person will care for me, love me, I'm not seeing any kind of energy. Plus, with the Daughter of Swords in reverse, lot of communication error. What I'm seeing, that you are a kind of a person who likes confrontation, who likes speaking. I think you have asked this person, what is wrong with you, why you're not putting in efforts? If you like me, then where are your actions? So they don't give you answer. A very complicated, I feel very psychologically complicated person you are dealing with, Aries. And in the future action, if you're thinking they are coming, putting in efforts, doing their girlfriend duties, boyfriend duties, I'm not seeing that. Let's talk about your energy, 10 of Cups. Like I told you in the beginning, that you are putting in a lot of efforts. You really like this person. You think that with this person I can build a future with. Even you are thinking a marriage with this person. That is fine. Whatever you are feeling is absolutely normal and great. That's wonderful. See, relationship is always between two people, Aries. If you are putting in efforts, where are the efforts of other person? If you are the person who is always calling, always making plan, always texting them, where is the other person's efforts? But if other person is not making effort, but they're still saying, I love you, I want you to be with you, so would you believe in their actions, or would you believe in their words? So the choice is yours, Aries. I'm not saying to break up with this person, I'm not saying to end ties with this person, but I would suggest you, the only guidance coming up for you is that don't think with emotions, think with brain, and think logically and practically. If someone wants to be with you, wants to create a relationship with you, they need to put in efforts, and that's the most logical thing that I'm ever seeing and I'm ever saying on this channel. Now the future of this overall connection, Knight of Coins, and that too in reverse. It has come in reverse. I'm not seeing stability over here. I'm not seeing that you guys will offer stability to each other, commitment to each other, putting in efforts, putting in that mutual love, mutual care, mutual happiness. I'm getting an energy that Aries, you will be in this sinking boat, sinking ship, whether you'll always be in this dilemma that, oh, am I reaching the seaside, or oh, I'm getting drowned in the ocean. So Aries, I'm not getting a stable relationship, stable commitment energy. You are dealing with a person who does not want to put in efforts because they are in their own comfort zone. It's not you, it's them, Aries. And I am someone, and I'm a kind of a tarot card reader who tells energies in the most practical, in the most straightforward way. So this was your reading, Aries, and decide what you guys want to do if you're resonating with this video, or else you can get a personal reading done so that I can give you a personalized guidance. So if you liked my video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to Floral Tarot Reader. Bye-bye.